Ready to squeeze every ounce of performance out of your gaming rig? Let's dive into updating your Nvidia drivers on Windows 11 to ensure a smooth and visually stunning experience. First, we'll start with using Windows Update. Click the search icon on your taskbar, type Windows Update. In the search bar, select Windows Update Settings. In the Windows Update Settings window, you'll see a check for Updates button. Click it. Windows will search for the latest updates for your system, including graphics drivers. If an Nvidia driver update is available, it will download and install automatically. You might need to restart your computer after the installation. Next up, let's explore updating through the Nvidia GeForce Experience app. If you have it installed, open the GeForce Experience app, navigate to the Drivers tab. Here you'll see if an updated driver is available. Click the download button or express installation. After the download, follow the on-screen prompts to install the driver. Following the installation, you may need to restart your computer once more. If you ever need the latest drivers manually or want the very latest, head over to the Nvidia website. Then, click on Drivers, select your product type, product series, product, and operating system, and click Search. Click the download button for the recommended driver. Then, run the downloaded installer and follow the instructions to install the driver again. A restart may be required. That's all it takes to update your Nvidia drivers on Windows 11. By keeping your drivers up to date, you'll ensure optimal performance and compatibility for all your favorite games. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.